Beautiful. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm Carla and this is my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. Now today I have a great video. I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. Yep, you heard that right. I've been doing my nails for years now. Been preparing for this quarantine time, you know what I'm saying? But I know with beauty salons being shut down, some of y'all haven't been able to do your nails, right? They be looking kind of scary. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my nails at home, how I save a lot of money by doing my nails at home, and what tools I use. And so without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys the things that I use to be able to do my nails at home. This all started when I started to budget, and so I knew that I needed to start cutting unessential things out of my budget in order to start, saving money and budgeting money elsewhere. And so one of the things to go was having my nails done. I love getting a mani-pedi, but girl, paying $100 for both was not gonna be something that was gonna continue to work. And so I went out and I was kind of curious as how could I do my nails at home. I went to Target actually and I bought a little gel kit. Now my little machine has had a lot of loving over the years, but this is my little machine here. It is from Sensation Nail and it has the little LED light. When I bought this, it came with a kit. Now the kit came with all the things that you would need to be able to do your nails, and it even came with a color nail polish and all the other things that you would need. Now it's been years since I bought this little toolkit, and so you can always buy and you can repurchase a lot of the things, but I've narrowed it down to the most essential things that you need. So you are going to need a clear coat. You're going to need color of your choice. For me, I'm going to do white because I'm going to be doing a French tip today. Now, they do have lots and lots of colors that you can choose from, but I just like the classic French tip. You're going to need some cotton swabs. You're going to need some acetone, and you're going to need a nail file. And one of these little things that help cut back cuticles if you have some cuticle that you need to cut back on, okay? So let me go ahead and show you guys how I prep my nails, how I do my manicure at home and save tons of money. Okay guys, so the first thing that you wanna do is make sure that you start with clean nails. If you're gonna go ahead and clip them, trim them back, you can go ahead and do that. I like the length that mine are currently at. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this step, but you can always soak your hands in some warm water and then push it back and cut it with this little cuticle cutter here. The next thing that you wanna do, now this part is really important. You wanna take a nail file and make sure that you file the surface of your nails, because that is really gonna be key to making sure that the nail polish really adheres to the nail. This is just what I do, and so for myself to save a penny, and really comes in handy when people are quarantined and aren't allowed to go to the nail salons. So gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so now that I have filed all of my nail, I'm gonna take a little bit of my acetone here, put some acetone on my swab, and go ahead and clean all of the nail dust off. And then you're gonna let that dry. I am going to go ahead and start off with one coat of this clear coat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just put one coat of this on each nail. So now that I've applied this coat, I'm gonna go ahead and press my little machine, and I'm going to let the machine go for a minute. Okay guys, so after it's been there a minute, the little light turns off, and that lets you know that it's been a full minute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my color in the white, and I'm gonna begin to do the little French tip here. Now for this, you have to have a really steady hand, and you want to make sure that you take off as much of the nail polish as you can to be able to make it super precise. And so I want to show you guys, I'm just lightly going to tap the brush on the tip of my nail, and very steady. I like to put my hands, both hands, on a surface so that I can have a very steady hand. And there you go. One nail down, I'm gonna do the rest. All right, there you guys have it. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the machine. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like with the first coat. I always like to go again with a second coat of the white, just so that it stands out a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take do a second coat on it. And as you guys can see already, the difference between just from this nail to this nail, like how much more it stands out, how cleaner it looks if I do the second coat. All right, guys, there it is, second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the little oven to bake, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so after you've done the base coat, you've done 2 coats of the white. I'm gonna go ahead and take the base coat one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and run another coat on top of it to kind of seal everything off. And then I'll put it in the little oven to bake, and then we are almost done. I know exactly what my technician is gonna do. She's gonna do a great job because technician is moi. I've applied the second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let it bake for another minute. All right, guys, and then the last thing you wanna do once you've applied all of your coats, you're gonna take the acetone on a little bit of a cotton swab, and you're gonna go over each nail and just kind of help sets this in, remove like the top, whatever it is, the ooey gooey sticky part from the nail, helps seals it up. And there you have it. Nails look amazing, and just like that, like super quick and easy. My nails just look fabulous, and I didn't have to spend an arm and a leg. Isn't that awesome? Looks great. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand, and I will be back. I'm gonna make these look like twins. So I just wanted to show you guys how pretty my nails look, and like I said, I have been doing my nails this way for a really long time, for years, and so this way I am saving money. I know that I'm gonna like what I'm gonna be doing on my nails, and if I don't like it, I can always take it off and, you know, choose another color. I don't have to wait like 2 weeks or whatever to, you know, before I change the color. And really, this is an investment that I would say is worth investing in. Being able to do your own nails at home is gonna save you money, and you're gonna know that, you know, whatever tools you have are just gonna be for you. You don't have to worry about getting infections. One other thing before I let you go, I do want to tell you guys, I was kind of self-conscious about my hands. I always thought I've had really short, stubby hands, and I always had something negative to say about my hands. But most recently, I started to experience some swelling in my joints, and it limited me from being able to use my hands. And at that point, I realized, you know, how important my hands were, and that I needed to be thankful, even that I have hands and the ability that I have to use them. And so if you are like me and there's something on your body that you just dislike or you're not happy about, my message to you guys is today, just love yourself. Love exactly who you are, who you were created to be. God created you, and He made no mistake when He created you. Look at yourself in the mirror today and just say, you are beautiful. All right, guys, until next time, bye.